Hi, Entre Nation. This is your host, Jonathan Plotz, and we're on the Awesome Life Challenge video number 8. So today we're going to be talking about advanced stuff with styling and CSS. So this is mainly for advanced users that kind of know their way around, but even if you don't feel like you can't do it, you definitely can do it. I'm just going to kind of walk you through a few things here in regards to how this works and why you would use this. So this advanced customization is mainly used to just change the layout in your emails. If you want to make it look different and make sure it works well and things like that. Now with AWeber, everything that they have is more drag and drop stuff. So it makes it really easy to use and makes it look good on all screen views and things like that. So there is a lot of testing, and you could spend hours doing this. So this is more for like the advanced user that wants specific things that are more custom. Okay, so let's dig into it here. Right now we're on one of my emails that I'm currently working on. So on this email, what I did was they had the layout already ready for me. I added my banner here for one of my platforms that I custom paid for. And then down here, I have a custom image over here. And then just based on who I am and the business name, and then a bunch of social media links. So in these links here, you can edit them and add your custom URL just for your different links on the social media platforms. Also with the image here, I have a professional photo, but what you want to do is just Google online. There's different websites that you can go to make like a circle image like this. So I would do some Googling yourself. I would suggest doing that to make that more more custom and more feel like you. And then the other thing we're going to dive into is just the specific CSS layout. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go down to this element right here. So you can't do it. The thing to know with this platform is you can't do it on an image. Like it just won't let you. So what we want to do here is inspect this element. So I'll pull it up here. Now I have it on a pop-up tab, but I'm just going to bring it over right here. And I'm just going to stretch this over. So this will tell me exactly what the element is. So you can see this is in a div tag. I forget what the EM tag, I can't remember, but this is like strong means bold. And then in here, you'll be able to do a bunch of different things with specific elements. But what we want to do here is let's say we just want to change the color. So it's in a main div tag here. So this is the div tag, and this is center. So if I want to just test to change things just in the DOM, this wouldn't actually change things in here, but just in the element, and then you would see the difference in here, but it wouldn't actually apply the changes. So if we're in here and then inspector in Google, we could say color red, and that should have changed it to red, but it didn't. So let's see if there's something else going on. I might have to go higher in the hierarchy here. Let's try it again. Color red. Paragraph tag, I think it has to be. It's not liking that. I might have to override it if there's some other CSS going on here. So it's not letting me override it. Ah, there we go. I just had to click out of it. Sometimes these things can be very touchy, but basically what this allows you to do is go to an element and change it. I had it highlighted. I think I had it like this so you couldn't see it because of that blue there. But basically what I did was I just went into that element. I went to inspect, and then I just changed the specific color for it. So we could have this any color we want. We could say blue, and then we'll change it to blue. And then I have these red on these specific elements, so that's why they're a different color. So if I change this, you could say pink, whatever you want. Now it's pink. So this allows you to customize things as you'd like it. But what I want to really dig into is images, right? So when you're in this element and you're in a paragraph, you can actually add an image to it. There is some code that's in the editor in a paragraph field here. So we're going to look at that. Here you can see the source code. This will show you the source code of what's in here. So right now you can see there is this div and a space in that div. That's what the AN NBSP stands for. And then you have a div, and this is actually an inline CSS tag. So this will tell you exactly what it's doing in there. So it's saying text align, color pink, and then you have the EM and bold tags. Basically, is what strong is. It's an old style to do that. And with that, you can change things around how you like it. But we're going to actually look into an image, right? So to look at the image, we want to first we need to get the code for it. So the first thing that we want to do for that is to go to an image, just drag it down here, and we want something from our gallery, right? So we're going to go to the gallery. I was working with signatures before here, so we got a signature now. In there, we want to go back in there to the gallery again. I just wanted to show you what it looks like. Actually, I think we can do it in here. I'm sorry for some misinformation there, but basically in here, there's a URL for this specific image, and this is what actually shows up. They change when you upload a picture, it actually does some background stuff on the server, and it actually changes exactly what the URL for the image is. Right now, it's going to CDN, which is a content delivery network. Just makes it basically, it's a speed thing. It makes it super fast. And then in that, there's a pathway. So this is the pathway you want for that picture. And then you go back to here. And if you go into here and you click in where there's some text, you can go into the source, right? And then just create a div. So we'll just say div. And we have to end the div, obviously, /div. And then in there, you'll be able just to do a image source src and then equals. Now this is going to equal the URL, and then we just want to end it like that. So we'll just paste that in there, which is the picture, and then we're just going to save that here. And as you can see, it added the picture right there. And then what you need to do actually is just to do some customization to that image. So the image is this big. So you can edit that if you wanted to. So if I wanted to edit that, I would just go to preview and test first. So I want to see what this looks like on here. And then I also want to see what it looks like in the editor. So we want to see what this looks like on mobile, actually. So we'll go to mobile, and you can see exactly how that would look. Now, just because it looks good in the view preview that AWeber has, that doesn't mean it's going to look like what it is in the email. So I'm going to go ahead and just send myself an email with this, and then we'll take a look at it. So let's go ahead and send that out. So we're just going to send this message to this email here. All right, so the message is sent, and then I'm just going to bring the email over, and we'll refresh the browser. It came in, and then look safe, and let's see. All right, that looks good. So that came in right. Now there's a little download. There's a trick to fix that. So let's go ahead and take a look at that trick. So if we go into your message, and we go back to the editor and back here, let's see. And link. And all right. So there is a trick for that. I have to dig in a little bit more on that. There's a specific way you have to do it. I just don't remember off my hand, and I don't want to give you guys wrong information. But basically, this is a way to customize things to make it look more presentable. When you're doing your email, if you want small little customizations, just go to any piece of text that you want. You'll be able to look at the source code of that, and you can see exactly what it's doing in the code, and then go from there. All right. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this part 2 of this video on my video 8 Entre Nation, and you guys have a great rest of your day, okay? Bye now.